Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Master of the Universe collection. This is the update number 19, and today I give you Stridor. Stridor, the horse of Fisto. Take a look at the detail of this original action figure Stridor with Fisto. This is Stridor. Take a look at the detail of this action figure. A horse of the future. This is Stridor, original Master of the Universe action figure. With the weapons on the back. Stridor. This is Stridor, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look, ladies and gentlemen. Stridor with Fisto. Update number 19. Take a look, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look at this Master of the Universe collection. Update number 19. Take a look. And so long, everybody.